Hello Bladers! What is your playlist during your early morning drive? Or do you tune into the radio? Did you know that the music you listen to at the start of the day may or may not affect the way you approach your day? Let's dig in and find out. Welcome to our daily drive. Everyday tips for the everyday driver. During these days, we can basically all learn how to drive. Our goal to actually do it comes from the need to travel around to go to our workplaces, and even our want to drive around for leisure purposes. This makes a high demand to use our cars often. However, doing this over time decreases the excitement that increases the chance of getting bored easily because it is becoming a mundane thing. This gives us the thinking that we really need to give importance to the things that will help us ease the boredom and generate excitement while driving. Safest way for this is in the form of our car audio system. Car audio system allows us to be entertained and energized while driving. It lets us listen and sing to our go-to road trip songs. That's why there is a need to have that one good quality audio system to make listening to music more pleasurable. This is to also avoid getting stressed over something that produces unclear or unpleasant sound. This is the very reason why Blade Auto Center offers us a wide variety of options to choose from when we want to upgrade or have a good quality car audio system. Just like this Pioneer 600-watt shallow mount subwoofer that has a very flexible installation function that amplifies the sound to make it resonate better. It is also proven to last for years because it undergone OEM-level reliability testing that were froze, baked, shook, blasted with ultraviolet light, and even drove to full power for days. Remember that the overall car audio system can really enhance and improve our driving experience. So, make sure to select the right one that is definitely of good quality so you don't end up just wasting your money for it, and above all it sets the right mood. Good music translates to good life. Do you agree with our advice? Or did we miss some of your go-to sound system preference? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.